What are forecasting skills and why are they important? Forecasting skills are the ability to predict future trends, events, or outcomes based on current and historical data, patterns, or informed assumptions. These skills involve analyzing information, identifying trends, anticipating changes, and making informed decisions to prepare for what lies ahead. Key components for forecasting skills. Number 1, data analysis. Number 2, critical thinking. Number 3, scenario planning. Number 4, decision making. Number 5, adaptability. One key components of forecasting skills is data analysis. Data analysis is the process of examining, organizing, and interpreting data in order to discover useful information, draw conclusions, and support decision making. One key goal of data analysis is to identify trends or patterns that can help predict future behavior or outcomes. Now, there are why data analysis is important. Okay, so there are three things. Help forecast future performance. Next is enable early detection of problem or opportunities. Number 3 is support evidence-based decision instead of relying on guesses. Example of this is using data to personalize learning experiences. Identify students at risk of failing behind. Okay, and improve curriculum designs and enhance resource allocation. By analyzing students' performance data, educators can tailor instruction to meet individual needs, diagnose learning gaps, and provide targeted support. Number 2, critical thinking. Critical thinking is the ability to analyze facts objectively, evaluate evidence, and use reasoned judgment to make decisions or form conclusions. When we say drawing logical conclusions from individual informations, it means using what we know, like facts, data, or observations, to make a sound and reasonable judgment, not based on emotions or assumptions, but on clear reasoning. So, why critical thinking matters? Okay, so we have 4 things that we need to remember. It helps avoid jumping to conclusions, leads to smarter decisions based on facts, encourages problem solving using logic, help detect biases, errors, or inconsistencies in reasoning. Number 3 is scenario planning. Scenario planning is a strategic thinking tool used to anticipate different future outcomes by imagining various scenarios based on what is currently known. Instead of predicting one future, it prepares you for multiple possible futures by considering key variables or factors that can challenge, like budget, policy, enrollment, technology, or community issues. Scenario planning means thinking ahead, not just hoping for the best, but prepare for different possibilities. It allows leaders to act strategically and responsibly, ensuring that no matter what happens, they are ready to respond effectively. Okay, so why scenario planning is important? Number 1 is help school and organization prepare for uncertainty. Encourages flexibility and proactive thinking. Avoid being caught off guard when situations change. Support data-informed decision making and budgeting. Examples in school setting like scenario planning for enrollment, known variables, population growth in the community, budget ability, number of incoming kindergarten or learners for the next school year. Number 4 key components of forecasting skills, we have decision making. Decision making is the process of selecting the most appropriate and effective action from several options. When it's based on forecast, it means the decision is guided by predicted trends, data, and possible future outcomes, not just guesswork or intuition. This means? So you use available information like data analysis or scenario planning to predict what might happen in the future. Then you evaluate your option and choose the most likely to bring success, solve a problem, or avoid risk. Decision-making steps, we have assess options. Number 2 is analyze impact. Why this decision-making matters? Okay, so number 1 is to ensure plan align with future needs. Number 2 is promote efficient use of time, money, and resources. Number 3, reduce chances of failure or being unprepared. Next is build confidence and credibility leadership course of action. Number 5, key components of forecasting skills is adaptability. Adaptability is the ability to adjust plans, strategies, or decisions when circumstances change. In the context of forecasting, it means being flexible and adapting your predictions or actions based on new relevant information. Adaptability in forecasting means being ready to change your course when new information comes in. Instead of sticking to outdated assumption, you stay flexible, adjust decisions, and make sure your strategies always fit the current situation. It's a vital skills or school leaders, managers, and anyone facing constant change. What adaptability means? Forecasts are not always perfect. They are based on what is known at the time. As new data, trends, or events emerge, you examine your original forecast. You revise your plan or stay aligned with current realities. Why forecasting skills are important? Number 1 is better decision making. Help leaders and managers make proactive strategies choices rather than reactive ones. Number 2 is risk management. Allow for identification or potential problems before they occur. Oh, nagbayag. Kapitay na lang. Why forecasting skills are important? Okay, so number 1 is better decision making. Better decision making means helps leaders and managers make proactive, strategic choices rather than reactive ones. Number 2 is risk management. Allows for identification of potential problems before they occur. And number 3, efficient resource allocation. Forecasting helps allocate time, money, and manpower wisely based on expected ones. Number 4, goal setting and planning. Support realistic target setting and long-term planning aligned with predicted trends. Number 5, competitive advantage. Organizations that forecast well often outperform competitors by staying ahead of market. Number 6 is crisis preparedness. Helps in anticipating economic downturns, policy changes, or disruptions like during pandemic, enabling timely responses.